watch me, so pretend I'm the dog. I want to hear you say the tonification along with the physical gesture, please.
Watch me.
Very good.
Watch me.
With the physical gesture.
With
That exactly.
Watch me.
Very good. Very good. He already caught it. May I see that with your dog, please? Now, okay, you're going to see the difference. You're going to see.
30. Watch me.
Very good. Within 10 seconds, you have, some dog psychologists say 30 seconds, some say 2 minutes. Adorable Pets, we say 10 seconds. That way there's no confusion and there's no misunderstanding. Okay? So, he already watched you. You're going to do it again. Within the 10 seconds, you're going to praise him and say, good, watch me, and reinforce the command. That's the first step.
Can I?
Okay? Again,